so the signal is weaker. Oh. Improve a little, it must be also be a good sign. Thank you. Wonderlove Starlink is much better connection than cellular. You are now in Piso Bendo. Yeah. I am here in Piso Bendo. So beautiful. Thank you. PC Bindo's top speed 50 Mbps where Starlink average is 100. Yeah, you are correct, Niel. That's why my Starlink, I want to get my Starlink. That's why I need to get my Starlink. I need to charge my phone. Oh, bakit blurred ka pa din? I'm sorry. I'm sorry guys if it's blurred. My Starlink is not here yet. Don't worry, I will be like, I will get my Starlink at home. I need to I think you might have that thought wrong. Oh my god. Wow, we have 100 likes now. Better now. Wow, okay. I need to tie my phone. Oh no. Oo. Dari nga anak nakaon. Derak nakaon na yan ah. Dadayot na ako. Pagluto nga anak dito balay, Roy. Ambot ko na nga unat ang mga tao. Ring ko pangaon na ka mo kay malakat